Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be taking a look at Snapchat stock. This is a stock that we've been going absolutely crazy with on the Discord. We have about 200% profits just this week alone, and I just signaled out that we might be breaking out again on this stock. So let me share with you guys a few reasons why I think that this stock is going to go crazy over the next few days and exactly what I'm seeing on a smaller time frame and also on this 1 hour time frame that's really giving me a bullish sense on Snapchat. Now, if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know that we've been on Snapchat. I told you guys that we are watching for a bounce around this $38 level, and the clear indication is going to be when Snapchat comes above the 50 EMA. Now, like I said in the past, the EMAs are what I really use to see the direction of a stock, and any trader will tell you that if you do trade with the direction of a stock, if a stock is heading downwards and you short it, and if a stock is heading upwards and you buy it, you are probably 80 to 90% more likely to make a good trade and be profitable in the long run. So that's why I always try to trade in the direction that these EMAs are showing me, these exponential moving averages, and all they really are lines on the chart demarcating where these boundaries are of upwards or downwards direction. So what I said in the last video is that once they come above the 50 EMA, they will officially be back in an upwards direction after this sell-off that we were seeing down to the lows at 38. And you can see that's exactly what happened. We bounced strongly off the 250, and once the two got close to touching, it was a huge moment of rallying for Snapchat. Our play in the Discord, we got in around $42 on one of them, and then again I called them out around 45, and we're sitting at around 120% profit on those. So congratulations to anybody who took those. And then today, the reason why I signaled a new play is because of this consolidation around 48. Now, we've seen a lot of other plays on the channel already where stocks bounce to a certain level, they're consolidating, they bounce out, and then they consolidate again before really making the big move that people are expecting. And I think that that's what Snapchat is doing right now. I think they are trading very sideways here for the last few hours, getting ready for a big move. And that's why I want to bring you guys this stock here and show you what I'm seeing on a smaller time frame. We're seeing a very clear price level, price resistance around 48.50. So that's what I will be looking at to tell me whether Snapchat is able to break upwards or if it's going to continue downwards. Now, you can see we have tested this $46 level in the past. Even recently today, we tested this level, but continued upwards. So I don't think that there's any fear of Snapchat coming below this level, at least not for the next few weeks. But what I think is going to happen is that today's day is going to close. Now, come Monday, we're going to open and trade sideways a little, test on this 50 EMA, and once the 50 EMA lines up with the 200, so once the 200 comes up more and the 50 continues trading sideways, once the both of them touch, they will be rocketing upwards at that moment. And I think that's when it's going to be the best time to come in on a trade. Hopefully that price is around $48 when those two lines line up, because that's when I will be looking for my ideal trade to the upside. I'm looking for an option with around 2 weeks of time, 3 weeks of time. So to around December 24th or the week after that will be when I'm looking to sell my options or when I'm looking to have an expiration date. But that's going to be the plan for Snapchat stock. If they can come around 14, if they can come above 48.50, then that's the price I will be watching for them to break out from. If they have a lot more resistance, then I'll be waiting for them to hit around $46 before I trade them to the upside. But unless they break 48.50, I'm not planning on touching them because I do think that they will have a hard time breaking that level and going up to new all-time highs because of the fact that they've already run so much. And we see other plays in this industry like pins really take a hard hit. Then I think that Snapchat is going to be having a similarly hard time breaking up to new highs, even though they are the biggest play in this sector. So as always, guys, just keep a close eye out on this play. This is a great one to keep an eye out in case you want to make a swing trade to the upside on new all-time highs on Snapchat. Options prices move crazy when we do hit new all-time highs on a stock, similarly to how we hit it on Starbucks where we're now sitting at around $200 profit on every contract. So just keep a close eye out on Snapchat. I think they will have a strong move to the upside, maybe after some consolidation to 46. But in the meantime, they do look like they could break it very soon. So just keep a close eye out on what the company does. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. If you enjoy this content, guys, we have a Discord also where you can get free daily plays and signals. The link is down in the description below. And if you want to help support the channel and get TradingView for completely free, don't forget, link also down in the description below to get the same platform that I'm trading on and showing you right now for completely free. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I hope all your trades are in the green.